Ready for the dictation.
Ready, start. Mr. Deputy Chairman, I rise to intervene in the debate only because of certain observations made by the Honorable Member from Rajasthan about the Rajasthan Canal stop. I have got the greatest regard for the Honorable Member, and I can appreciate that whatever he said was only in his anxiety to expedite the construction of the Rajasthan Canal stop. He correctly paid a tribute to the work of the Irrigation and Power Ministry, and he also said that when he saw the mighty projects under construction, not only he but the other foreign experts too were wonder-struck. To put it in his own words, at the progress made by the country in respect of irrigation and power development stop. It is but fair that he should have made these observations because the huge task of building mighty river projects in the country, the various technicalities involved therein, the number of problems the engineers have to tackle, and the spirit of teamwork with which they carry on the work are bound to create admiration for the work that they have been doing. Stop. I am grateful to the Honorable Member for paying that tribute. Stop. It is therefore that I want to clarify certain points. Stanza. He made out a case that because the Rajasthan Canal was a project of national importance, the centre should take over the control of that project and not leave it to the Rajasthan government. Stop. As I mentioned with great regard that I have for him, I tried to analyze the reasons and arguments for his apprehensions about the progress of the Rajasthan Canal stop. In the other house, the same apprehension was expressed by another member from Rajasthan stop, as opinions differ about the capacity of that state or about the capacity of the engineers. Another member in that house observed that the progress of the Rajasthan Canal was very satisfactory, and he went on further to say that the apprehension which the Honorable Member had expressed was not reasonable and had no basis. Stop. That is what the other member from Rajasthan in the other house expressed. Stop. Therefore, I want to know exactly what he wants. Stop. I find from the proceedings that he thinks that the regional interests in that area or in that state are likely to prejudice the construction, and therefore the center should take over the work. Stop. I may assure the honorable member that the center is very closely associated with the execution of the Rajasthan Canal. Stop.